What is up, guys? Brady here from Brady Banana Channel. Today I'm showing you how to play John Cena's theme song on trumpet. And yeah, let's get right into it. So here's your book. You're not going to need that today, so throw that to the side. And you're just going to need your trumpet and me if you don't know how to play it. So your first note is G, A, F, then G again. Now, it's really high, because when he comes out, it's like, da, 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 da. It's really high, though. So this is what the first part should sound like. Then your second note, or your second part, is F, A, F again, then G. Then it should sound like this all together. And that's John Cena's theme song on trumpet. Now, if you want to, what I did is I made my own page with here of, like, I put, like, other people's theme songs in here, like there's John Cena's and some other people's in there, and some other songs I like for the trumpet. So, yeah, if you guys would like to see more, make sure you share this video with your friends and family, and smash that like button. And, yeah, if you would like to see more, then comment down below. But smashing the like button, that would also tell me another thing that you want to see more. And yeah, may God bless your day and your family. And you know what we do. B-Men out.